toothbrush with hydrogen peroxide. Toothbrushes are a breeding ground for bacteria. I mean, look at this microscopic picture of just one toothbrush bristle. The purple is a whole ecosystem of bacteria. And our bathrooms are usually a perfect environment for the bacteria to multiply. So I let this soak for about 20 minutes. And while that's soaking, I oil pull with coconut oil. I love the taste of coconut, so this is like a treat for me. I swish this around in my mouth for 20 minutes while I go for a walk. I'm sure you've heard about oil pulling before. It pulls bacteria out of the mouth, it moisturizes the gum, and whitens teeth. This is the only thing I use to whiten my teeth. When I was like 15 or 14, I did use Crest 3D white strips, but whitening strips are not good for your teeth, obviously, and my teeth got really sensitive from them. After years of oil pulling, my teeth have gotten pretty naturally white. But keep in mind, it's partially the lighting that I use that makes my teeth look this white. Here they are in natural lighting, still pretty white, but they're not fake white. After I spit my coconut oil in the compost, I take my toothbrush out and dump this down the sink, rinse my toothbrush, and just brush my teeth with water, just to help get rid of all that bacteria that the oil pulling pulled out. Then I warm up a little water, and then I add some mineral-rich sea salt. Let that dissolve, and then I rinse my mouth with this and gargle a couple times. I just love the way it makes my mouth feel. Throughout the day, I make sure to drink water that is naturally alkaline rather than acidic. Surprisingly, most tap water and bottled water is slightly acidic, which isn't great for our teeth if we're sipping on it all day. If our mouths don't have a proper pH balance between alkaline and acidic, the bad bacteria in our mouths will thrive and multiply. We want the good bacteria in our mouths to be thriving instead. So foods, drinks, and mouthwashes all change the pH of our saliva, either for better or for worse. 20 minutes after every meal, I chew xylitol gum. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that is sugar-free and amazing for oral health. It helps neutralize the acid in our mouths after a meal, and it works on the bacteria in our mouths to protect our tooth enamel with remineralization. The gum you chew can make a huge difference, so I'm just gonna put a list of gums that are good, xylitol sweetened, and then gums that I personally would never chew because they're not helping my teeth. Most nights after supper, I love making neem leaf tea. I've got boiled water, and I'm gonna add in about 8 or 9 leaves. That was like 20. Okay. She's gonna be bitter. Neem is a plant native to Asia, and it is used in India and Africa to strengthen teeth and gums. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory and can prevent plaque buildup. It also has a bunch of other health benefits that go deeper than the mouth. So that's a bonus. And then before bed, I brush my teeth with my homemade toothpaste.